Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts in an automatic car. Choose a wide, empty area with permission and practice safety. Ensure tires, brakes, and surroundings are clear. Keep traction control off, use low gear or manual mode, and apply gentle throttle to break rear traction. Maintain steering control, modulate throttle to sustain spin, and use the parking brake only if necessary. Wear safety gear and never attempt this on public roads. Check tires for proper pressure and tread, and inspect brakes for wear before you start. Bring a spotter and phone, and wear eye protection. Remove loose items from cabin and secure pets away. Know your car's limits and avoid excessive RPM that can overheat the transmission. If you feel unusual vibrations or smells, stop immediately and let the vehicle cool. Always prioritize legal locations and insurance. Begin in first or low gear and use manual or sport mode if available. Hold the steering with a relaxed, steady grip and steer into the intended arc. Apply a smooth, steady throttle to break traction at the rear, then counter-steer to maintain the donut. Use small throttle adjustments to control spin speed and radius. Stop if control is lost or mechanical strain appears. Practice with supervision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.